So it's the 8th of November and it's unseasonably warm out. It's probably about 80 to 85 degrees. So it's a good day for a ride. Now it's getting late in the afternoon. It's about 3:30, so which only means I have about an hour and a half worth of sunlight. So we'll see how far we can go. But my goal is to get across the river and go up and down the Katy Trail a little ways just to kind of check out the leaf situation. So let's go and see what we find out. So Amazon built a whole set of warehouses here. It's kind of a risky situation because out here it floods a lot. As recently as 4 years ago, this was all completely underwater. We have a really bad deer problem in this park and this whole area. They're everywhere. They're like squirrels. We're going along that bridge up there to get over the Katy Trail. All right, we're gonna go down towards Green's Bottom just for a short trip. This Katy Trail is awesome. It stretches from St. Charles, which is a little west of St. Louis, not much, all the way to almost Kansas City. It used to be a train track, and they turned it into a state park. So now people ride, walk, run, everything on it. It's awesome. On your left. Okay, it's time for a break. I got these Element water bottle supplements, and they say put about half of it into a water bottle. And I did. I put it in just a regular size water bottle like this right here, and oh my God, is it salty. It is like pucker up, super salty, even just half a container. I think it'd be perfect for a super hot day or if you sweat a lot, but like today it's not that hot and it's overwhelming. But you know, you learn to live with it, right? I'm sitting here thinking, geez, I need to get back. It's starting to get dark. Now it is starting to get dark. I mean, sunset's in about a half an hour. But then I remember I have my sunglasses on, and it's much brighter when I take these off, obviously. So I'm on my Turbo Creo today, and even though it's an e-bike, it's pedal assist, which means you have to pedal or you're going to fall over. It also means you have to manage your gears just like you would on a regular bike. Really what this little motor on here does is makes you feel like you're in a little better shape than you really are, and it really helps going uphill, so that's kind of nice. So we're kind of up to a pretty steep hill, so I'll have to manage the gears just like I would on a regular bike. On your left. She must have headphones on. Okay, so here we go up the hill. I'm going to keep it in eco mode. I'm on a 1x, so I only have the rear cogs to work with. A little steeper. All right, lower gear to get up this hill. Probably doesn't look very steep, but again, the motor on this e-bike just makes you feel like you're in a little better shape than you really are. Makes the hills a little easier. Makes the straights, the flats, you can go a little faster on the flats to keep up with your buddies who normally drop you. So thinking back to that runner, I called out on your left. I don't know if she didn't hear me or not, but right when I got to the part where the path turned to the left, she took a step. So I think ultimately it's my job to make sure I stay out of her way. But right at that particular point, you could go straight or turn left, but I guess I just have to assume that she might turn left, so I need to dial it back. Whereas, like, we're responsible for the safety of runners and walkers. Cars are responsible for the safety of cyclists and walkers. It's a pecking order. So probably I should have waited till she committed straight or left. So I tell you, every time I go out on the bike, I learn something. Something to adjust for the next ride, something to think about for the next ride. It's always something. Which is fine, because I think it makes you a better cyclist overall. I think I'm gonna wrap this one up. It's a good day. You gotta enjoy these like surprise 80-degree temperature days in the middle of November. So time to head home. Thanks for riding along, and I'll see you in the next video. At my max pace, I'm not going that fast. Damn. I'm gonna hurry. Is he alive? I enjoy these like surprise 80-degree temperature days. Sometimes you just gotta take advantage of these 80-degree days. And daylight savings ended. Starting over. 3, 2,